Our success story was driven highly in the North American market. Our North American platform has a group of products that is offered to the market, and that market consists of our advanced manufacturing group and our OCTG goods. Our performance in North and South America outperformed the market. We had a huge growth opportunity in both the Guyana and Brazilian regions of South America, adding to our tremendous numbers of 2023. So our strategy continues to produce results in the fact that we've really taken the time to observe those markets, understand those markets, and penetrate those markets as we need to be able to get all those revenue streams. Our advanced manufacturing group had a stellar 2023. On the Dearborn side, we had a lot of good clients come through. That helps our client portfolio understand what we do for them, and we're able to build those products ahead of time to be able to meet those market constraints. And on the electronics side, our electronics platform has always been a long lead time component industry. We take our time and procure those materials early and then be able to produce for our clients as they see fit. Those long-term agreements help us into the next 2 to 3 year window, which is fantastic for our group. So we're fully confident of 2024 results being as well-rounded as they need to be. Electronics growth specifically for 2024 will be centered around our long lead time components, ordering them early, taking care of our medical clients, as well as our aerospace and defense clients as well. We did a good, strong portfolio in 23 to try and advance those opportunities, and that helps our market drivers accelerate that much further. The challenges for our extended lead times have begun to be 52 weeks plus and beyond. So what we've done with our clients is get those long-term agreements, entice our clients to give us POs ahead of time, and then also take those POs to market and be able to procure those materials in a timely fashion. So Dearborn in 2023 had fantastic results, and that was a direct reflection of us investing into capital expenditures throughout the company. We were able to provide ourselves new machinery, which gave ourselves time to procure and produce those manufactured needs for our clients. Our 2023 results exceeded our expectations, which excited all of us. The best thing about our operations is that in 2024, we're continuing to see that growth pattern, and we're hoping to achieve that same success in 24 as well. We are hunting.